All right, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from China. Cheeky China over there, ha ha ha. This one is tilapia noodles. The rice vermicelli with some fish bits in there. And speaking of fish bits, we have our favorite friend of fish and famous author, Matthew Bella. How's it going, man?
Morning, Hans. Thanks for having me on the show.
It's not morning. It's 12:08 in the PM. A lovely 73 degrees outside right now. Yeah.
I'm just giving myself away, haven't I? I'm a very lazy person.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I do stay up late getting work done, so sleeping in does not always mean you're lazy, but here we are.
As Han in on Han's Island in the Bruce Lee epic film Enter the Dragon says, right.
And he's the only one who's ever said that, so that quotation should be immediately recognized.
Well, it's the way he says it.
Yeah, right.
Right. He's got that claw for a hand. If I ever have my hand cut off, I'm gonna have like a jewel-encrusted case where I keep all my fake hands.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. So I'm still feeling. I've got the allergies full tilt, and I'm still feeling kind of wacko from getting that second Pfizer shot. So you're about to get yours, right?
I just checked the appointment availability. They're all booked up here in town, so
you're gonna have to travel, buddy. If you want to get one soon, you're gonna have to start checking availability at every single place, everywhere. Like you might have to drive 50 miles to get one within a month.
I'm not sure how I do that. My truck is broken down, so I am kind of stuck here.
Fix it. Fix that truck.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna start trying to do that very soon. I've saved up an immense amount of American cash, and I will be.
Oh, don't fix the truck. Buy a new vehicle. That's right.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna put some money into it.
You dude, how much money have you put into that freaking thing already?
Not enough, apparently.
It wants, dude. It wants more and more and more out of you.
Yeah, it's a cruel mistress.
Yeah. Pain thy lady, your name is Ford. Isn't it a Ford?
It is.
Yeah, there you go. Well, let's do our quote of the day really quick from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. This is important stuff, ladies and gentlemen. The last one was number 261. Nothing beats the taste of mother's cooking, but since its appeal is bound up with the love and trust between mother and child, it does not necessarily seem so special to others. So it's like, dude, my mom's potato salad is the best ever. No, really.
That one was slightly less profound than I'm used to hearing from M.A.
Well, MA's got another one. And number 262. A taste will show its true glory only to those who can appreciate it.
I'm sorry, say that again? That one's...
A taste will show its true glory only to those who can appreciate it.
Sure. I mean, yeah, that makes sense.
Some of these things are just like really obvious. It's like filler.
I mean, he's not. He was a corporate leader, you know. He's not.
Are you kidding?
I don't know. Even though he might have occasionally provided the odd pearl that will last through the ages as objective wisdom for all people. Sometimes they are more corporate centered or particular to his chosen business, right? I mean,
Sure.
still a man, a titan, still a titan.
A titan.
Yes.
I got little protector sleeves coming from Amazon today for our COVID cards. It's interesting, if you look at the COVID cards, so what you do is you go in there, you get it, and they give you a card that has a sticker on it that shows you like the day the day that one stuff will expire, or no wait, the day you got it, the expiration date and the lot number and the type. So mine say Pfizer, BioNTech, blah blah blah, and then the lot number and then this. Well, there's 4 spots. There's like dose 1, dose 2, other, and other. And so on mine, they put the first one, and then the second one overlaps the first one. On kits, they just like covered up the first 2, and they covered up the second 2. But I'm wondering, with the different amount of time in between, if there was like a new directive, make sure there's open space for those second others. It's possible. But I don't know, I enjoyed getting my shot. I watched the needle slowly go into my arm, the plunger be depressed, and I felt that 5G wash over me like the love of baby Jesus. And then my phone worked so great, it just started ringing and ringing. And I could taste the colors around me. I could hear dogs talk, and
you have been stamped with the mark of the beast. I
haven't. You know what? I'm a proud philatelist. I'm gonna collect those stamps like there's nothing else. So you have allowed Bill Gates to microchip you. Oh, I know him. I've got him on speed dial right here in my thinker.
Yeah, let's get him on the show.
I can hear his thoughts. We're like Borg buddies. Yeah. I don't think he's Swedish though. But yeah. We're friends in Borg. Borg. But yeah, I'm still I haven't gotten like the really bad thing that's supposed to happen yet, but
death?
No. I don't plan on suffering from death anytime soon. Geologically, probably, but you know, the formation of the universe, my time here is just a mere tick. But no, she said that like up to 36 hours later, you're probably gonna get like really hot, feel like crap, maybe for like 3 or 4 hours, and then it goes away. I'm like all in.
Yeah, that's great. That's
I can't wait.
Good for you, Hans. Good for you.
We got chicken nuggets. Oh boy, and it's done. And this is weird looking. I hope it's good. I really hope this stuff is good. The last one, that was violent. I can still kind of taste the last one, and it's not a flavor I like to savor.
Yeah, what do you got on the stovetop today?
This is what was the brand? It started with a W, like Wei Quan Shu, Hengyang, fish flavor, instant rice vermicelli, something like that. And I looked at the ingredients, it has tilapia in it. So that sounds good. It smells like there's a fish element here. Not like anything too violent. Uh-oh, what's that say? That was a notification of some sort. I've been notified. But yeah, I highly recommend getting the shot. But plus, dude, you know what we got? You know what you get when you get a shot?
A piece of candy?
You get a coupon.
For a piece of candy?
Thanks for getting your COVID-19 vaccine. Enjoy 10% off your next grocery purchase up to $200.
Wow, they're bribing you with food.
Yeah.
To be microchipped with the mark of the beast.
No, you know what we can do too? You just show them your card when you're fully vaccinated. You go to Krispy Kreme for the rest of the year. You can go every day and get a free donut.
I have no idea where within 50 miles of my present location, which is my home, where there might be a Krispy Kreme. I'm not sure about that yet.
Okay, Google, where's Krispy Kreme?
Up here it would be like, you get 10%
okay,
off a
Alexa,
box.
where's a Krispy Kreme?
Yeah, I'm telling you, there's not one.
Why don't you ask?
Like,
I bet you there is. There's one around there somewhere.
Up here, it would be like, you get 10% off a box of bullets.
Oh, I don't like that. No, sir.
10% off a box of bullets with your microchipped Mark of the Beast.
Well, where do you have to go? Like Cabela's or something?
Oh, we don't have anything like that in Port Townsend.
Well, no, there's nothing in Port Townsend. How big is that town?
8,000, population 8,000.
Well, there's other places you can go.
Not currently.
Yes. Well, that's of your own device. Your own doing. Your je ne sais quoi.
I don't know what.
I think that's like one of the best. What's
literally
that?
what je ne sais quoi means.
I know. It's like je ne sais quoi. I don't know.
Well, it's an ineffable, undefinable quality or, characteristic. The French have a beautiful language.
It's so ebullient. It's so ebullient.
The French language can express anything, even things they don't know.
Yeah. And it sounds good. It sounds like... Yeah. All right.
Je ne sais quoi?
What?
I don't know what.
I don't know.
Oh, what does he say?
It smells funny. Taste.
Now you have to put that in the description for these noodles today. They possess a certain I don't know what.
In one of the reviews yesterday, I was all like, the noodles have a nice springiness and the broth has an absolutely wonderful ebullience.
Those look good. Those pictures looked amazing.
Don't they though?
Yes.
That's what good light brings to the table.
Sure.
A little bit of sesame seed, I think. Yeah. There we go. All right, so it's time to do the spinny spin with the tilapia noodle from China. These are from China. Oh my God. Are you still there?
I'm still here.
Are you alive? Alright, let's see. So next episode, I think we should get to your current job title as person putting words to your muse, the expired serial killer. But let's let Rotato do this magic, and we'll be right back in a moment. So here we go. Yay! Fish noodle. I can't remember what it is, but it's yeah, it says amazing taste on the box. I think that's a plus. So yeah, from the Ramen Raider and esteemed author Mr. Bella, this has been the on to the Ramen Raider and blah blah blah. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. You'll see this tomorrow. That's another every day. Have a good one. Bye.